guys, today I want to talk about self-sabotage because the truth is when you're stepping into a new level and doing something different, self-sabotage can become a very real part of the process. Obviously, we don't want self-sabotage to be something that prevents us from being able to step forward. So what we're going to do today is we're going to use one of my all-time favorite tools called emotional freedom techniques, where you tap through different meridian points in your body and it helps you to release the negative energy that you have in regards to self-sabotage and to replace it with positive suggestions that get you high vibe and ready to tackle your vision without getting in your own way. So what we're going to do is I'm going to ask you first and foremost to get in touch with what you're feeling as far as self-sabotage on a scale of 0 to 10. 10 being like, man, it's like I can't do anything. I can't move forward at all. And I know that I'm in my own way. 0 being like, self-sabotage comes up from time to time, but I know how to battle myself, overcome it, circumvent it, and still get to where it is that I need to be. If you're anything above a 3, I'm going to ask that you stick with me so we can tap out those negative emotions, negative energy, and replace it with those suggestions that get you feeling high vibe and ready to circumvent your self-sabotage to get to where it is you want to be. All right, what we're going to do is we're going to start right here with the setup point. I want you to just take a couple deep breaths. Ground yourself. For me, I like to just, feel the carpet or the wood or the tile or whatever underneath my feet to really ground myself, let myself know that I'm safe. It's safe to get in touch with these emotions and to let myself know that I'm doing something good. It's a great job for you to be here because it's one thing to think that things aren't happening because of other people, right? And trying to blame. It's something really big to recognize where you may be in your own way. And I always say that that's the first step, that you're moving in the right direction. So let's go ahead and dive in and get started. So we'll start right here at the setup point. Take a couple deep breaths. Great job. One more. Great job. Let's go. You'll just repeat after me. Even though I know that I get in my own way sometimes, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. Even though I know that I get in my way sometimes, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. Even though it's tempting to blame everyone else, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. Even though it's tempting to blame everything else, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. Even though I often get distracted, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. Even though I often put my goals, my vision on the back burner, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. Even though my vision and goals mean more to me than I likely show in my actions, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. Even though it's been years, I promised that things would be different by now, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. Even though it's hard to admit that I'm likely in my own way, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. Even though I procrastinate when I know I shouldn't, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. Even though sometimes I let perfectionism get in the way when I know it shouldn't, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. Even though I prioritize things that aren't really related to my goals, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. Even though overthinking can sometimes get in the way, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. Even though I've made every excuse under the sun, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. Even though I wonder if I'm just capable of really even going after my goals, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. Even though I'm frustrated with myself and my lack of progress, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. Even though I feel like I should be further by now, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. Even though sometimes I try, but it doesn't seem like I get a lot done, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. Even though I wish I were more organized, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. Even though I wish I could be more productive, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. Even though I'm not always consistent, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. Even though I'm not always dedicated, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. Even though I'm not always disciplined the way I wish I could be, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. Even though it seems like things come so much easier for other people, and I wish that it came that way for me, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. Even though I self-sabotage regularly, and I wish that weren't the case. And even though it's hard to admit, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. Even though I've normalized this self-sabotage and I'm ready to get past it, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. Take a deep breath. Great job. Now I want you to tell me where you're at on a scale of 0 to 10. 0 being like, yeah, I'm done with self-sabotage. Like, nope, that's something of the past. 10 being like, yeah, I still feel like I self-sabotage. If you are anything above a 3, I am going to ask that you actually rewind it and continue to tap out where you feel stuck. The good thing is you can bring in your own statements that relate to you, and you can continue to tap as long as you need. If you're under a 3, we want to get you as close to a 0 as possible. So what we're going to do is we're going to start tapping in those positive suggestions so that you can really feel aligned and know that self-sabotage can be something of the past. All right, let's go ahead. I am successful. Success is available for me. My goals matter, and my actions match. I am proactive. I am consistent. I am dedicated. I am disciplined. I am committed to my goals. I am excited about my goals. I prioritize my success, and I make sure that it's something I take advantage of every single day. I make sure it's something that I take action towards every single day. Success is my birthright, and I remember that regularly. Therefore, I take action regularly. My action steps contribute to my success. My thoughts contribute to my success. My behavior contributes to my success. And I set an example to other people, for other people, what's available. I make sure that I prioritize my self-care. I make sure that I prioritize my self-love. And because of that, my goals get to be my priority. I'm excited about my amazing progress. I'm excited about what's next. I'm excited to step into this next level because I know amazing things are coming my way. I know that God has my back. I know that I'm called to this. I know that this next level is just the beginning. And I know that I create thoughts, actions, and behaviors that serve my growth. I have a growth mindset. And each day, I am creating the success I desire and deserve by reminding myself that what's desired by me is destined for me. All right. I want you to get in touch and see how you're feeling. Again, on that scale of 0 to 10, if you still want to tap some more, feel free to rewind and continue to tap in. You can talk about you're organized, you're orderly, you take action, you're a fast action taker, you're proactive. You can tap in whatever things come to mind that allow you to remember that you already have what it takes to see your vision through. But I just wanted to encourage you and give you a tool, a tangible tool that you can use so that you can move out of your own way and remember that you get to be the creator of the success that you want to call into your life. And I fully believe that. I'm so excited for this next level that you're stepping into, and I'm so excited to see what God will do. If you're looking for more tools, strategies, and support like emotional freedom techniques that help you to align your mind with the success that you desire to create, I have such amazing news for you. I have officially opened the doors for my Elevate Method waitlist. And my Elevate Method is a certification program that certifies you in 5 different areas: neuro-linguistic programming, emotional freedom tapping, or techniques, also known as tapping, hypnotherapy, life and success coaching, and time techniques. And these tools help you to learn the program of your mind, how to reprogram your mind to align with success, and to really call in and create the success that you deeply desire and deserve. I cannot stress enough that this program is truly unparalleled because it will transform your life in ways that you can't even begin to fathom. So if you'd like to learn more, use that link below so that you can get access to the waitlist. And trust me when I say, your future self will be so grateful that you did.